Hi lovelies, you already know it's your girl Lisa here with another one for you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. On my channel I cover beauty and lifestyle topics. Okay, let's get into it, guys. So in this video right now, okay, of course I'm in the video right now. Where else am I? Where am I? I'm gonna be changing my lashes, okay? And you already know I'm using my own lashes, okay? If you guys haven't already seen, go check it out, okay? Lashes Lab. Check out my lashes, okay? These lashes, I've already used them and I washed them, okay? Because I'm gonna be coloring them, okay? Lab. You can see the yellow. Yeah, these are the same lashes that I had in the yellow video, okay? I'm not gonna color another pair of my lashes just because I want to color them. I'm gonna use the same colors that I already colored before. No, I'm gonna use the same lashes that I already colored before. Oh my god, guys, do not drink, okay? Youths, don't drink. Yeah, I don't want liquor. Come over and give me a spa. I should go back in my videos, yeah, because I do a lot of freestyles in the videos while I'm doing stuff. So, you know, I could probably put some together. Okay, so I'll be doing a mini tutorial and show you guys exactly how I do that. Okay, I'll just be using my lash box, Whispy Lush. This is the Mayo Makeup Stackable, okay, the ultra bright stackable, and I'll be going in for the pink color right at the top there. Can you see that? Of course you can see that. Oh, beautiful pink, guys, because the light is so bright.
Gorgeous, okay? Just take my word for it. What I did was I went in and I added a little bit of that neon pink right on into my cake. I could just wash this off after when I'm done. I'm not worried about it. After I've added the pink, I'm gonna be going in with the NYX, okay? NYX, and this is the matte finish setting spray. Okay, and this is like my favorite setting spray. So I'll be using it in... Woo! It's like magic. Did you guys see that? pink clouds, okay? So after you spray your setting spray in, you'll go in with a brush and you'll just mix that in, okay? So I have a lot of little brushes that I haven't used yet. So I'll be going in for this one. And that's the pink. It's looking kind of messy right now, but it's a neon pink. And these colors do glow in the dark, okay? So I take my lashes and I keep them in the case just like this. And what I do is I go in with my brush and I brush it all over the hair. As soon as I start brushing it on, the lashes are already turning pink, okay? So it will turn pink. And then when it dries, you'll have pink lashes.
Okay, pinky winky. Pinky winky. So I'll just keep brushing that in. And I may need some more, so I'm also gonna go back in again and get some more of that neon pink from my stackable, because I want them to be really pink. Like, I want them to pop. So boom, there you go. I pretty much paint them, and after I'm done, I'm gonna put this down to dry, and boom, it'll be good. Like, it'll be pink for my lashes. So I'm actually just gonna continue painting. I'm gonna mix my powder with my setting spray, okay? And then after, I'm gonna apply it to the lashes. After I'm done applying it to the lashes, I'm gonna put it down and it's gonna dry, okay? And after it dries, when I'm done with makeup, I'm gonna put it on my eyes and it's gonna look good. I got pink lashes, okay? And if you want for any other color, you just gotta do the same thing, okay? I came back only so you guys could see the pink cloud, okay? So that is cool. Like, this could be good in chemistry class, okay?
Call me Professor Mixer. Professor Mixer, what you gotta say, huh? Come and take a picture. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what goes on in my brain, but anyways, I like it.
I like it a lot. Yeah, I already know I'm nuts. Hey, if you know me in person, you already know I'm nuts. What's new? Shoo-be-doo-be-doo. What you gotta say about the things, yeah. Come on, give me your diamond ring, yeah. I already got a ring, boo-boo. What you talking about?
Boom. All done with this side. I'm just gonna move on. I'm gonna color the other side for the lashes, okay? So, let's get it.
Call me Bobby. Call me Bobby. What is Ken finna say to me? Call me Bobby. Call me Bobby. Okay. That's too much energy. Too much energy. Hype me up. Okay, hype me up. My energy level is pretty high. Y'all full of vibes. Just touch on Jamaica. Don't I wish?
So this is the lashes. They're ready. They're pink. They're ready to go. And that's what it looks like in my case after I'm done. But you know what happened? I just made a connection just by looking at the camera. Okay, because I'm like, why don't I just put a little bit of pink in my hair? Where is this going, guys? I don't know, must be the wine. Where is it going? Now you see why I don't drink all the time. Wink, wink.
The shade.
So I'll just be going ahead to quickly flat iron my hair while I wait for these lashes to dry. I haven't had drinks in a while. Okay, plus I'm on a diet, so this wine is getting me like so fast. It is already in my bloodstream. Your girl trying to find balance in life. Life is good, but you know, balance is great. So yeah, I kind of feel like a fairy.
The way my brain works, it's like a hamster wheel where the hamster keeps running, falls off, gets back on, gets off again, get back on, and keeps running. For what? Yeah, it ain't for exercise. I'm sure they tricked that hamster with a nut, okay? They probably tempt him like, okay, let's see how far you can run, buddy. If you run and finish your running, we will give you a piece of nut.
I go from here to hamster.
Not too sure, but anyways. My hair's gonna be a mess, y'all. I'm gonna have to take this off and wash it. Does this do anything? Can you guys see that? Maybe I'll just use the brush actually and just wipe the leftover.
And because it's on the outer layer of my hair, I can just go over and use a little rag or cloth, a wet cloth, okay? Guys, okay, ain't nobody can tell me that this wig didn't come like this, okay? Look at that. Do you see the coloring? Like, goddamn.
Hey, you got another tight up shots. You scream more 10 more beats to my arts. Hey, you got another jeans. So now you know if you want to color your hair, just get a quick coloring in. That's the way to go, okay? Simple, easy, nice, okay? Okay, I'm feeling myself, okay? And this is fine, because this is all I have left. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. What you do? What you say? Don't judge me. Hey, 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 don't judge me. What goes on today? Hey, hey, hey. Okay, I definitely enjoyed rambling on, okay, as I normally do.
So your girl decided to just pop back on and show you my beautiful makeup and how it came out. I just wanted to show you the lashes, what they look like when I put them on. Don't forget, if you're interested in purchasing some nice 25mm lashes, go check out my website, okay, at Taylor's Lab. It's gonna be linked in the description box below, okay? Let me know what you guys think about this makeup. I would have loved to do this makeup on live, but I was just running so quick, I decided to do it off camera, guys. But I promise you I'll have a makeup video coming up soon for you guys, and I'll just be giving you guys a quick preview of my outfit.
So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Leave me some comments in the box. Shout out to everybody who watches me. Shout out to everybody who supports me. If you don't support me, shout out to you too, okay? No hate, appreciate. Haters gonna hate, appreciate. What? Appreciate. Hey guys, so take care. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in my next videos.